Ampeg SVT-4 Pro is a rack-mountable bass amplifier head with an incredible 1,600 watts of power. Used by countless pros, this amp comes with an impressive array of high-end features. With three 12AX7 preamp tubes and a MOSFET power amp section, the SVT-4 Pro gives you the best of both worlds. This is a true stereo power amp that can be bridged for mono applications or divided for bi-amp setups. On the front of the amp, we have a 1/4-inch input, a convenient tuner output, a mute switch for silent tuning, a 15 decibel pad for active basses, a preamp gain control, and a versatile 10-to-1 compressor that transparently goes from subtle to slammed. Moving over to the EQ section, we have Ampeg's famous ultra-high and low tone shaping buttons, a bass control, a mid-range control with 5 selectable frequencies, a treble control, a brightness boost, and a button to activate the graphic EQ. This 9-band EQ lets you fine-tune your tone with incredible detail. It also has its own level control, making it possible to use it as a foot-switchable solo boost. In the master section, we have a line-out volume control, an effects bypass, a limit defeat button which bypasses the amp's internal peak limiter, a master volume, and a crossover control for tweaking a bi-amp setup. The back of the amp offers a mind-blowing assortment of ins and outs, including bi-amp outputs, both XLR and 1/4-inch stereo line outputs, a stereo effects loop, a rear tuner out, a full complement of speak-on and 1/4-inch speaker outputs, direct power amp inputs and preamp outputs for both channels, and a pair of foot switch inputs. The Ampeg SVT-4 Pro offers bass players a tremendous amount of power and features. This professional powerhouse amp is flexible enough to handle any setup on any gig.